Hello everyone! Today, please join me in unboxing my very first unboxing this 2023. This is what my husband and my son gave me last Christmas and I'm so excited to open it with you. So now, let's open. There, such a pretty bag from Aldo. So first, let's remove first all the plastic. Also all the handles. There. Now that we've removed the plastic, we can appreciate the color much better now. This is called the Aldo Women's Galilini Dome Satchel. It is also a two-way bag. It can be carried using top handle and also as a crossbody. It comes with a very big and very cute fluffy pom-pom. This pom-pom is also removable in case you don't like to use it, but I think I would be happy to use it because it's too cute. That makes it more girly, more pretty, gives it some style. But since it's removable in case you don't want to use it, but I think I will be using it because it's very cute and soft. On the front, it does have the logo, the Aldo, and it does have this two buttons as a design, but on the back it doesn't have the buttons, but a different type of handle in case you really want it to be discreet or you don't want to show any brand. So that is the design, but I think if they have made this design at the back would be very pretty, very classy as well. And also on the side it does have this design like flap, and it comes in a light gold hardware, and the zipper pull looks like this, and I'm sure it does have the logo, the Aldo logo right there. So let's open the bag. Inside, it comes with a free removable crossbody sling. It does come with many paper. So the inside is a very pretty pink fabric lining. It is a very thick fabric lining, and also has a zipper area or things that you don't want to show or the things that you want to hide inside your bag. You have this zippered pocket and At the front of that, it has a one slit pocket, and it does have their logo with their plate. And on the other side, it does come with two slit pockets. See, I really prefer flat slit pockets compared to the ones that are bulging, should I say. I think that this is more neat looking compared to the one that is bulging. I think if you get your things inside, these pockets will sometimes get in the way if it is very big or is bulging. So I prefer this type of pockets. And also I'll show you, they have their tag right here. That is their tag. Those have many tags right there. So there is their tag from Aldo. So that is just a simple inside, and I think that I can put many things inside of this bag. This is such a pretty bag. This is such a pretty bag. And then let's open the sling. You can put the sling. So that is the sling. And it is adjustable. It does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes that you can adjust. So that is the removable sling. That is the removable sling. So this is the bag, and I really like that it has a light gold hardware. It matches the pink, the shade of the pink. So what do you think does this bag look like? It is an affordable luxury alternative for the Louis Vuitton Alma bag, specifically the PM size, because this is a bigger one, a different shape for the PM. And I really would love to have that Louis Vuitton Alma bag in different sizes, from the smallest one to the biggest one. I think the size of the shell bag or the dome bag really is very classy, and it's also simple. And I think that whatever outfit you wear, that bag will make your outfit more classy as well. And I really wanted to have that Alma BB for a long time, but I think that it really is not, the price is really not for me. I really couldn't really afford it. So I tried to look for alternatives or look-alikes like this one, affordable luxury alternatives, and the Aldo Galilini dome bag is a very nice, very pretty alternative to that Louis Vuitton Alma bag. So I think I will be using this bag, and I think most of my things will fit inside of this bag because it is a big size. May I suggest, if I may, that the only thing that I would like to change in this design is, first is this one. This design looks really pretty. I really hope they've done the same, this one's at the back side, because at the back side is just a very simple one. I really want, if possible, in the next future production of this Galilini, they will make this design at the back, and probably if they could add a pocket at the back side like what Coach are doing there. They have this back pockets on their bags. I think the Katie and the Sierra has the back pockets for your items that you can easily access at the outside of the bag. And also, I really hope that they have placed two zipper pulls so that we can place a padlock to make the bag more secure, like what the Alma bag is. Two zipper pulls where they have placed their padlock to make the bag more secure. And I really am not a fan of their thin strap. I think I will be able to use this in my smaller bags. This thin strap, I think this will hurt my shoulders because they are thin. So I'm planning to use one of my thicker straps, more comfortable straps. And this is what I'm planning to use. One of my straps from my other bags. And I'll show you that this would make it more comfortable to wear. And I think that the color of this strap is very complementary with the color of the bag. Looks very nice, and it will add more femininity. It will become more feminine. So this is my very first Aldo bag, and I'm so happy that it was gifted to me by my family last Christmas. I really hope you all enjoyed watching. Thank you so much, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.